Raquel is here and welcome to Nature Craft Essentials YouTube channel. Nature Craft Essentials Trading based in Dubai, UAE, as you know, is a one-stop shop for those looking for waxes, butters, herbal extracts, dry flowers, carrier oils, UV blocks, natural preservatives, surfactant, fragrance oil, essential oils, and much more. Alright, the purpose of our YouTube channel is to introduce our world-class range of raw materials, other related products, and advantages of buying from us. We have a wide range of raw materials for candle makers, soap makers, perfumery, and cosmetic manufacturers to choose from, and a wide range of fragrance oils, carrier oils, and essential oils, which adds therapeutic benefits and aroma to products like soap, massage oils, and body lotions, and etc. Today, we are going to talk about some of our butters, waxes, extracts, and etc. We have, for example, cocoa butter with deodorized, okay? And we have also refined beeswax yellow, and we have also white available. Soya wax flakes, which is usually using in making candles. We have here transparent bathing bar soap based flakes, sulfate-free and melt and pour. We have also transparent soap-based melt and pour, and we have opaque bathing soap-based melt and pour. We have also mango butter refines, and we have natural aloe vera gel extracts. And also, we having carrier oils which are natural vegetable oil like avocado oil refined, sweet almonds oil, and jojoba oil cold pressed. And we have much more of these kinds of carrier oils. Alright, our video will not only introduce to our range of products, but also provide you with tips on candle making, soap making, cosmetics, perfumery, and so on. If you'd like to know more, please email us at info@naturecraftonline.com or call us on 050-415-1961. If there is anything else that you may want to know or want us to make a video on, please let us know in comment box below. Thank you so much and have a nice day.